Hello and welcome to this demo of Traffic Takeover, where I'm going to show you a number of the campaigns that you can create with this software. Now, because Traffic Takeover uses a system that incorporates a large number of actions and how those actions can interact with the page, there are a very large number of things that you can actually do with this software. Okay, as I say, in this video I'm going to show you some of them and talk about some of the other bits and pieces. Okay, so when you're in the software, you get the option to choose one of these actions, and you can see that we've got images, we've got videos, we've got HTML, we've got social, we've got opt-ins, we've got the external site redirection, and we've also got the Facebook Messenger option. So the first one I'm going to show you is the how it works with the Facebook Messenger. So we just set it up, we create our campaign. Here we need to get the content from Facebook. So we go to the Facebook page that we want it to interact with. Okay, so this is our Facebook page. Go to settings, go to the Messenger platform. We just have to get the code from Facebook, so I can change the greeting. I'm going to click next. Then we're just going to copy the code. I'm going to go back to our site. We're going to paste it in there. I'm going to click save. I'm going to click next. And then we're going to have it so it displays after 1 second. Here we're going to choose the page that we want it to go over. So I'm just going to choose this article here. I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to choose viewport, going to save it and click next. And we're going to click preview, and we're going to be able to see the page, the article load, and then we're going to see our Facebook Messenger pop up in the right hand side once the page is fully loaded. So here we can see the page is loaded, people can interact with this page, but you can see that it's our Facebook Messenger is here. We click here, it will jump across to Facebook, and you can start the conversation. You can set it up however you see fit. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're gonna set up a basic redirection. So we're going to go back to the start. We're going to choose external site. We're going to click next. We're going to create new. Here we're going to choose the page that we want it to redirect to. So I'm going to choose this offer. I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to click save. I'm going to go down to next. Now I'm going to choose how I want it to interact. As I mentioned at the top of this video, it can interact in different ways. So with this action, it can interact with when someone clicks on somewhere on the page. It can interact just after an element of time has passed, or if someone tries to leave the page. I think I'm going to choose on exit for this one. We're then going to choose next. We're going to click to create a new campaign, and we're going to call this. We're then going to choose the page that we want it to go over. I'm just going to choose this article from CNN. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to click next. Then we're going to preview it. So the article should load as usual. So we've got the article here, all the information that people can interact with. Then if they try to leave the page in the usual fashion, and clicking back, they then get redirected to, in this case, an offer that we have put forward to the visitor. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to show you how to put a pop-up. So in terms of the pop-ups, we actually have 3 different types of pop-ups. We have an image pop-up, we have a video pop-up, and we have a social pop-up. The social pop-up is actually a combination of images and videos, but also has a Facebook and Twitter button so people can like your page. For this, I'm going to show you a video one. Going to click next, and I'm going to create new. I'm going to use it with a CPA offer. So I'm just going to click iPhone. I'm going to click onto the main content. Going to grab a video. Going to grab the embed code. Going to go back. We're going to paste that in there. Going to make sure we've selected it. Going to click save. We're going to go next. And I'm going to have this to appear on time. Going to click next. So as I say, with this one, you know, I've got my CPA offer, and I can present the viewer with a video, for example, just to show them, you know, give them some idea of what they need to do before proceeding, you know, warm them up for the offer. You know, there's all types of things you can do with different pop-ups. You know, you can provide discounts and things like that with images and videos. So let's have a look at this one. So we're going to see that the offer has presented it, and then there's the video that someone can watch the video, and it tells them how to, you know, proceed with the offer, which is really, really cool. So the last one is I'm going to show you how to create an actual opt-in. Now this could go over anything, and you could use this for anything. You know, you could, you know, as a lead magnet, you know, providing discount, opt-in for this and this, all these sorts of things. So let's go back to the campaign. We're going to select opt-in. We're going to click next. We're then going to create new. We're going to give it a name. We then have to choose the list. Now on the inside, we'll show you how to connect it up to your autoresponder. So the leads that you extract go to your autoresponder, and you can send them emails and autoresponder messages, all that sort of good stuff. We'll show you how to set this up now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the colors. I'm going to change that. I am then going to change the header text, and I'm going to say so. What we're going to do is we're just going to make this a bit bigger. Which is a tad bigger, a bit more. We can change the color if we want. So we might want it to be red, for example. And we might want this to be more white. So we can change these things if we want. We can now add an image or a video. So I'm just going to add an image. I'm just going to grab this from my desktop. Just going to upload. Going to insert it into this section, and then I'm going to ensure that I choose it. I could choose it, display it like this, display it like that. I think I'll display it like that for now. Make sure everything is selected. And then going to click save. I have the option to change some buttons here if I want to, because we can get the opt-ins with Facebook and Google instead of them having to put in their email addresses, which can be good. We'll just leave it like that. We're going to have this on time as the action, or the interaction with the action. And then we're going to create page. And we're going to choose the page that we're going to throw it over. So let's just throw it over this. And we'll choose a viewport. We'll click save. And then we'll see what we've got. So our web page has loaded, which is really, really cool. And we should get our opt-in appear soon. So there we go. There we go. And the person can opt in before proceeding to the website. Okay. So that is really, really cool. Really, really powerful. So as you can see, there's a wide variety of things that we can use to take over a website and transfer people from one website to another for our own benefit. And we can do that with different interactions and actions.